Nike is set to launch the A'ja Wilson A1 #1 draft pick in fall 2025, celebrating her 2018 WNBA draft milestone when she was selected first overall by the Las Vegas Aces. This new colorway continues the A1's sleek, sculptural look, featuring a gradient blend of soft pink and off-white across the upper, a subtle nod to legacy and celebration. Metallic pink signatures on both heels, custom tongue logos, and crisp white laces and overlays enhance the polished feel. A standout translucent pink window along the sole adds boldness and visual flair. Following the successful debut of her signature sneaker line, this release arrives in both adult and kids sizing, ensuring broad appeal for hoopers and fans alike. The design reflects both Wilson's impact on and off the court, blending elegance and performance. Expect pairs to drop via Nike.com and select retailers soon.